I'm Taylor, founder and CEO of Facilitize. Our platform helps heavy industry businesses like transportation and manufacturing automate their workflows for incidents, maintenance, and tasks so they can save time, stay compliant, and keep their operations running smoothly. Let's dive in.
Today, I'll walk you through how our platform streamlines compliance, work orders, and incident tracking for our customers. First, I'll show you our dashboard. So here you can see you have spills. So this would be hazardous waste spills and their status, your maintenance widget and list, and compliance tasks. Next, I'll give you an idea of what it's like to enter a spill. So I'm not going to go through the entire questionnaire because I'm short on time, but basically it's just all the details, reporting the incident, so that we can figure out the appropriate vendors to dispatch. Next, I'll show you what the spill incident detail sheet looks like. So here you can see the date, the status, the location, the chemical, and also the vendors that need to be involved in order to clean up this spill and process it. Next, I'll take you through work orders, which is similar to spills, but this is for maintenance. We have two. Reactive is for one-time work orders, and periodic is for recurring. Similar to spills, I don't want to take you through the entire thing, but as you can see, we have location, work necessary, that's your description, frequency, the cadence that this needs to be completed at. And we'll go back into our work order list and show you what that looks like. So for this one, as you can see, very similar to the spill sheet, but this gets communicated to a vendor for completing this maintenance task. And these are all your children work orders under this parent. So we also have, comments and a way of communicating attachments and so on and so forth, talking with the vendor. Next, I'll show you what our task system looks like. It's pretty straightforward. You enter the task details. But one thing that makes us different is that we have a task file upload requirement button so that if it's an audit and you need to complete that audit and upload it, you can require that in order to close out the task. We also have an inventory tracker for chemicals, so this communicates directly with our incidents for spills, and you can input all of the relevant information for a chemical and its SDS sheet, safety data sheet. We also have contacts, so team is your employees and vendors are, of course, your vendors that you have if you're a customer. So HVAC vendor, locksmith. I'll show you what a vendor profile looks like. So vendors have their own access on this portal where they can upload relevant documentation, compliance, certificates, and agreements so that this is easily accessible to the client. We also have a location page as well, and this is very straightforward, just entering the location details that you have in your network. That pretty much sums it up. So I appreciate you taking the time to go through this demo with me and hope to see you soon.